Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about ratios, more specifically about graphs of equivalent ratios. To get us started, here we have a problem that says Liam is decorating cupcakes. For every 4 chocolate cupcakes, there are 3 vanilla cupcakes. So we're going to start off by reviewing ratios a little bit. Part A says to write the ratio of chocolate cupcakes to vanilla cupcakes in all 3 forms. So we know that we could write a ratio as a fraction. And because we're writing the ratio of chocolate cupcakes to vanilla cupcakes, we're going to write the number of chocolate cupcakes first as our numerator. And then the vanilla cupcakes is going to be our denominator. Next, we're going to write a ratio using a colon. And again, because the ratio is chocolate cupcakes to vanilla cupcakes, we're going to first write down 4 and then colon 3. And then finally, we're going to write this in word form. And because chocolate cupcakes is first, the 4 comes first, so it's 4-3. Now, part B says, write the ratio of vanilla cupcakes to chocolate cupcakes in all 3 forms. So, because vanilla cupcakes comes first now, we're going to put the 3 in our numerator, and that means that the 4 is now our denominator. Next, we're going to write a ratio using a colon. And again, because it's the ratio of vanilla cupcakes to chocolate cupcakes, we're going to write 3 first, so 3:4. And then we're going to write a ratio in word form, and it's going to be 3-4 because it's vanilla cupcakes to chocolate cupcakes. All right, so part C says, complete the table below by writing the original ratio and then completing the remainder of the table with equivalent ratios. So we know that our ratio is 4 chocolate cupcakes to 3 vanilla cupcakes. So we're going to go ahead and write that in our table. Now, in order to come up with equivalent ratios, we're going to take our original ratio and multiply both the chocolate cupcakes and the vanilla cupcakes by the same number. So we're going to start off by doubling these. So we're going to multiply the 4 and the 3 by 2. And that means we get 8 chocolate cupcakes now and 6 vanilla cupcakes. And that is an equivalent ratio. Then we're going to take our original ratio, which is 4-3, and we're going to multiply both of those by 3. So once we triple that, we get 12 chocolate cupcakes and 9 vanilla cupcakes. And notice in our table, there's a pattern. The chocolate cupcakes increases by 4 every time the vanilla cupcakes increases by 3 to maintain that ratio of 4-3. Then if we take the original ratio and quadruple that, so we multiply by 4, we get 16 chocolate cupcakes and 12 vanilla cupcakes. Then if we take our original ratio and multiply by 5, we get 20 chocolate cupcakes and 15 vanilla cupcakes. For part D, we're going to plot the ordered pairs from the table in part C. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a coordinate for all of these. And so we have chocolate cupcakes to vanilla cupcakes. So we're going to write our coordinate of 4-3 as 4,3. And so in order to plot that, we're going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0, and go 4 to the right and 3 up to plot 4, 3. Then we have 8, 6, so we're going to write that as a coordinate first. And then that means we're going to start at the origin, go 8 to the right and 6 up and plot that point. Then for the next one, we have 12, 9. So we're going to go 12 units to the right and 9 units up and plot that coordinate. Now for the next two, these numbers don't fit on our graph, but we're going to just write them down anyway. So now we have our graph with the equivalent ratios that we're able to fit here. And notice that our ratio is 4:3. So check out this pattern where each one of these coordinates is 4 spaces to the right away from each other and 3 spaces vertically from each other. So there's a pattern here. From each coordinate, we have to go to the right 4 and up 3 to maintain that ratio. And that's it.